Somewhere, there is a crime happening.
I know. Let's go out for ice cream. Vanilla's the best. No, strawberry's the best.
How's it hanging, Bruce?
Oh, God.
Slow night?
Would you get out of here, man? This is my city.
Batman and Superman don't always get along. But if it's one thing they can agree on, it's movie night. With popcorn and their favorite film, Batman vs. Superman.
I especially like the part when Superman dies. Watching Lois cry, it always cracks me up.
Today, I'll show you how to make these popcorn boxes yourself. As always, the link to this template and my shop is in the description below. The basic tools you'll want to make your miniatures are a cutting mat, an X-acto blade, a ruler, glue, and some matte acrylic sealant. Step 1. Print the template on cardstock. Then, use the 8 black triangles as guides and score the template along all the lines shown. Next, cut out the template. Fantastic. Step 2. Pre-fold the template along all the scored lines and get a feel for how it goes together. Then, glue the red tab on the bottom of the template to the inside of the box. Next, glue the tab along the side to the inside of the box. This next part is optional. Go through your wife's things till you find her jewelry making kit. Shh, our secret. Then, use some beads and glue them to the bottom of the box. This will give it a nice weight and feel. Next up, use your X-acto blade to pick up the tiny yellow square and apply glue along the sides. Finally, insert the square down the center of the box using the blade to level out the corners. Beautiful. Step 3. Choose between 2 films that aren't as good as the originals. Then put on the better one. And don't forget to pump up the volume to help set the mood. Now, locate the microwave popcorn that's hiding behind all your other junk. Don't stop until you find it. We both know it's in there somewhere. Next, use some paper towel and aluminum foil, then crush the popcorn with a blunt, everyday object. Remember to take your time and stay focused for this last part. Next, apply glue to the inside of the box and begin layering in your popcorn. I recommend dipping the box into the tinier popcorn kernels for the final layer and using the X-acto blade to apply finishing touches and fill in any gaps. Once you're happy with the way it looks, spray it with some matte acrylic sealant, but don't spray it indoors. It's toxic and bad for your health. You know, Bruce, it still amazes me that both our mothers were named Martha.
Well, you're adopted, so technically she's not your mother.
It's crazy, you know? How 2 guys from different worlds could have so much in common.
Don't touch me, man.
You two crack me up. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, then give it a thumbs up. If you want to know which toys I'll be playing with next, then subscribe today and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with everything miniature.